Hi guys. So today I wanted to talk about my hair and basically just some tips and tricks on keeping your hair color as bright as possible for as long as possible, as well as like how often wash, stuff like that. So my first thing I wanted to say was, if you can, I highly suggest, I am a little bit biased, but I highly suggest going to a professional and at least getting the bleach job done by the professional. That way, you get it out the way. You don't have to worry about doing that at home, because I know not everyone can afford to constantly go to a salon and get their hair color changed, but it will keep your hair in the best possible state, and you don't have to worry about like ruining it yourself at home. I mean, you can always do like the pinks and purples and those types of dyes, like the semi-permanent dyes, at home by yourself. But I really strongly recommend that you do not bleach your hair yourself at home. Now, after you get your hair bleached at a professional, if you want to go home and change it from pink to purple or purple to pink after it fades 1,000 times, that is on you, and that does not damage your hair at all. The bleaching does, so I really recommend going to a professional. My biggest thing that I do to preserve my hair color, I do not wash my hair. Like, the last time I washed my hair was, today is Monday. I washed my hair last Tuesday. So tomorrow it'll be a week. So I do kind of like get away with it because I have really dry scalp, and when your whole head's bleached, it kind of like sucks up the oils even more than when your hair is really natural and, what's the word I'm looking for? Healthy. When your hair is healthy, it tends to repel the oil a lot more than when your hair is a little bit more on the drier side, as mine is. I am blessed that I work at a salon, so I have basically like my coworkers wash my hair for me, or the other way around. I do sometimes wash it at home, and when I wash it at home, I use it's still professional and it is color safe. It's not necessarily the best for my hair color type, but it's not like something drugstore, which is even worse. So I use Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Shampoo. I'll probably post a picture of it somewhere on here. And I use that when I'm at home because I have eczema, and on my scalp, like in the back, I get like these weird dry patches, and they get like itchy and extra dry in the winter time. So the tea tree feels really good on my scalp. But when I'm at the salon, I have like several options of fancy shampoos that I can use. My go-to combo, I'll throw it up, is Awapuhi Wild Ginger Moisture Lather Shampoo. And then for conditioner, I really like Super Strengthener. Now, Super Strong, it's super strong. Super Strengthener is a whole nother thing. Super Strong conditioner is so I was gonna say super. It's so silky. I like using that on everyone. It's not like even it's not even higher end of Paw Mitchell, but I love the way it makes my hair feel, and I tend to gravitate towards that a lot. If you did want to get something, I would recommend Ultimate Color Repair. It's really good for like crazy colors, reds, pinks, purples, like bright colors. That's basically what it's designed for. And it has quinoa in it for like repairing the hair and helping the hair like color last longer. So I don't use that one as much because I don't care for the smell of it. So when I'm not washing and I go a little bit too long sometimes I push it longer than I should, but who cares? Like, I know for most people, if it was a week, their hair would be plastered to their head by now. But I haven't put any dry shampoo in my head yet. If I want to push it a couple more days, which I probably will, then I'll use dry shampoo. So tip number 2 is well, this is actually tip number 3, is to use dry shampoo. I actually really like Dove's. I like Dove in general. I just really like the brand Dove, like I do. I use their dry shampoo, and I have 2 of them, which I'm like equally using at the same time, which I don't understand why, but this is who I am, so whatever. This one is Detox and Purify. It's just like, this one is like basically wash, and then this one is more for volume. But I don't care for volume, although I definitely need it. I know you see how flat my hair is. I don't care for volume, but it does work. I really just want to like not have to wash my hair. I put color on my hair, like pink, to refresh it. I think like once a month, basically. So every 4 weeks, because so it's like every 4 washes, which to most people would be in 2 weeks or a week. But I wash my hair so little that I get to really extend the life of my hair color. So that's all I have to say. I'm so glad to be making videos again. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Did I do that? That's so weird. I don't know how to do an outro, guys. It's like, I don't know how to say bye to people when I'm walking away from them. It's just like an awkward bye.